Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, are you bored of typing and if you are using a Windows 11? Suppose, let's assume that you are doing some kind of project or you are preparing some kind of content and you are supposed to type so much of content. Let's assume you are preparing some document and you have some tons of pages you are supposed to type. Okay, so in that case you may be typing one paragraph or two paragraph or one page or two page. Okay, so probably after some time you might feel bored of typing. Okay, so you already know the content, and if you are bored of typing means what you can do is and if you are using Windows 11 means what you can do is you can just press Windows H key. Okay, then it will automatically show one pop-up here. So once it shows, then you can just start telling to the computer so that it can automatically start capturing the things. Okay, so this is the shortcut key, guys, Windows key plus H. So now you can see whatever I'm telling, it's coming in words in WordPad or wherever you can. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. So I just wanted to share this one of the shortcut key in Windows 11. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.